Our Olympic season has started with men's and women's basketball respectively. But here's the thing. We always give our superstars grief for whenever they choose to play for Team USA. And we always want to be hypocrites and complain about how our superstars shouldn't have to play because we will just dominate and it's not even fair for the other countries. But here's the thing. When we lost with our superstars in 2004, a team that had LeBron, by the way, and Carmelo, and all these other guys that were drafted in 2004 that were on that team. When we lost, we made a big deal out of it. In this country, we hate to lose in sports, okay? We all hate to lose in sports. But at the end of the day, when we win, we celebrate it like, it's an amazing thing. But then we go back to stating the fact that should we even let our superstars play the game of basketball when it comes to the Olympics and when the Olympics begin? Carmelo, for example, if Carmelo wants to play for Team USA, let him be, because if he wins a gold medal at the end of the day when it's all said and done, we're gonna thank him and praise him. But if he loses and if Team USA gets destroyed, we're gonna hate him and criticize him for it. But when he gets back to the NBA, whether he wins or loses, we're all going to criticize him for not winning a title. And speaking of the NBA, recently, over the last couple of days, we found out that Russell Westbrook will be staying in Oklahoma City. Here's what I think. I think the reason why he chose to stay in Oklahoma City with that option for a third year is because he wants to prove to everybody that he can win without Kevin Durant. He felt spurned when Kevin Durant left Oklahoma City to go to Golden State. And after all the times that Kevin Durant's defended him and said that he's had his back, Kevin Durant turned around and walked out on him. Russell Westbrook right now feels betrayed and hurt. So he feels that he needs to stay in Oklahoma City and prove to the world, to himself and to Kevin Durant especially, that he can win an NBA championship in Oklahoma City without Kevin Durant. You guys let me know what you think, because here's the thing. With the West being what it is right now, you got Golden State, San Antonio's not going anywhere, the Grizzlies are a decent team. You guys let me know. Do you think Russell Westbrook gets it done? I mean, the West is loaded, especially it's top heavy. At the top, you got the Clippers, Warriors, and Spurs. I mean, the Thunder right now are sitting at maybe, a close fourth place right now, fourth or fifth. So, do you think he gets it done? Comment and let me know, guys.